How to use demo account on MetaTrader 4. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 4 app, and now you can see there is settings option at the bottom right corner of this section. So once you tap on it, you can see there is new account option in here. So just select the new account option, and you can see finally there is open a demo account. So just tap on it, and you can see there is option meta course demo. So just select that option, and finally what you can do is simply need to enter your KYC, and you can also modify your account information, like you can see account type, leverage and deposit. So let me tap on deposit to show you an example. Now you can see it starts from $3,000 to $5 million. So let me select $5 million for now, and finally tap on register. Now you can see you got your login ID, your password and investor ID as well. So finally tap on done, and yeah, you will be able to access it. So basically this is how you can use your demo account on MT4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.